Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A3 Sportback Sport S Tronic finished in the modern Navarra Blue metallic paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a petrol engine with 116 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 17-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 380 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full cloth trim for that comfortable look and feel, in addition to a rear climate control with two USB-C charging ports. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and a sporty front cloth seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a wireless charging pad with 2 additional USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.